Well, hello civilians. Welcome back to our channel. And today we'll be talking about the 10 steps which you can follow to become lucky. So, let's begin. Now, in a previous video, we discussed about the signs of luck and how it can affect you. But today we will take it to the next level and we will talk about how you can increase your luck and create your luck in case you don't have any of it. So, here are the 10 steps that you can use to be more lucky. Now, the first point is you are already lucky. Now, before you think about creating or increasing your luck, you need to understand that you're already very lucky. If you're alive, you have a roof over your head, clothes over your body, food at the table, and if you're watching this content on a smart device and you have access to an active internet connection, then you are luckier than you think. A lot of people died due to the COVID-19 pandemic and didn't make it to even 2021. Now you would actually understand how lucky you are to be freaking alive. Now the second point is open your eyes. Now in order to be luckier, you need to open your eyes and focus on the opportunities that are laying around. If you want to improve your life, then you need to improve your focus. You basically need to focus on things which can take you to the next level. People come across more opportunities than they can count, but they fail because they lack focus. Improve your focus and look for opportunities that pass by you every single day. Once you know what to look for, you can focus on all the things that have the potential to change your life both drastically and dramatically. It's completely up to you to decide what things to focus on, as only you know about the things that can take you to the next level. And the point number 3 is venture into the unknown. The problem with you not being lucky is that you rarely venture out in the unknown. Only you are to be blamed for your bad luck and misery. Do you know the definition of insanity? It's doing the same things over and over again yet expecting different results. If you are following a schedule for the past 5 years and you aren't experiencing any success, then change it. If your schedule was actually beneficial, then it would have worked by now, but it didn't. This only means one thing, and that is to change your routine a bit every once in a while just to create a new butterfly effect and invite lots of good luck into your life. Now, the fourth point is apply to new opportunities. When you have finally decided to venture into the unknown, it's also time to search for new opportunities and apply for them as much as possible. If you really want to change the trajectory of your life, then don't just sit on your ass. Search for as many opportunities as possible and apply for them. The maximum is that you will get rejected, but the default answer is already no if you don't ask. Hence, apply to as many positions or job openings as possible to create good luck. Now, the fifth point is make yourself visible. Building upon the last 2 points, if you are venturing into the unknown and you have applied to various openings and you're still not getting success, then it's time to make yourself visible. Basically, you need more exposure for yourself so that the world can notice you. Remember the quote, if opportunity doesn't knock, build a door. Well, this is exactly what you need to do in order to get recognition in this crowded world. Think of ways where people can notice your talents and see what you got. You can also run ads on social media about whatever you are doing. You can write blogs, you can create videos on YouTube, you can answer queries on Quora, you can make your own website and improve its ranking by SEO. You can distribute flyers and you can also work for free in the beginning for some of the clients. Do whatever you want to do in order to get more exposure and visibility for good luck. The world is your playground and you can play as you like. Now the sixth point is stay consistent. Now there are millions of people who could have been more successful than anyone in this world, but they gave up soon when they were hit by early setbacks. Towards your journey to success, you may fail a couple of times, but this doesn't mean that you will quit. Every time you fail, pick yourself back up, learn from your mistakes, and start over all again. Success often is very close whenever you are about to quit. Take an example of entrepreneur Elon Musk. Had he quit after his third rocket failed, both of his companies, Tesla and SpaceX, would have failed. But instead of quitting, he remained consistent in his approach and persisted for just one more time. And look, today he is one of the most influential and powerful people in the world. Now the seventh point is network. Now if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. Live by this quote and see your luck exploding. People can create opportunities for you that are practically impossible for you if you were all alone. If you really want to be lucky, then improve your communication skills as well as your networking skills and go to as many networking events as possible to meet new people that could have a profound effect in your life. You're basically 5 people away from massive success. Most of the times, it's not the hard work or persistence that makes you successful. It's the people who you live with that open new opportunities and create good luck for you. Now, the 8th point is work smarter. Now, I personally know some people that have worked 16 hours per day for the past 25 years. Yet, they are miserable, broke, tired, exhausted, unhealthy, and unhappy, where they still live paycheck to paycheck. Now, can you just imagine? There are people living paycheck to paycheck even after working 15 to 16 hours per day for the last 25 years. Hard work is an important ingredient for success, but don't let anyone make you believe that hard work alone will make you successful or lucky. If you want to create your own luck, then start working on the areas which can have the maximum impact on your life. Work hard, but also work smart. Improve your focus as well as your productivity by working smart. Automate, delegate, or outsource any menial task that doesn't give you good money. Focus on the most important stuff by using the 80-20 rule, and you will invite lots of good luck in your life. Now, the 9th point is say yes. Now, if you really want to improve your luck, then create a habit of saying yes every time an opportunity is in front of you. If you say yes to every new opportunity, then you will improve your odds of success, and there are high chances that you will get your big lucky break. But when you have finally found your calling, then get into the habit of saying no to all the other things so that you can just focus on your calling. Now, the last and 10th point is think big. Last but not the least, you need to think big. Now, most people don't fail because they think big and they fail to achieve it. They fail because they aim too low and they achieve it. Now, if you actually want to increase your luck, then think big. Don't try to be the biggest thinker in your group, but try to be the biggest thinker in the whole entire world. When you start thinking big, then you unlock new horizons, avenues, and opportunities. Just take the example of billionaire entrepreneur Elon Musk once again. When he got $180 million from the sale of PayPal, he didn't just spend it on luxury cars or vacations. He instead thought very big and decided to start 3 new companies and actually borrowed money for rent. People don't invite good luck into their lives because they think small. If you want to stop living with mediocrity and start living with superiority, then think as big as possible. Think so big that when you tell your plans to people, they should die immediately of a heart attack. Yup, that's the right way of living and thinking big. Now, if you're still here, then thanks for sticking till the end. Here's a little bonus for you. If you come across bad luck, then leverage it. Now, another reason why most people fail in their lives is because when tragedy happens and bad luck strikes, they give up and start blaming their misfortune for their loss. But if you stick a little longer, then bad luck gets converted into good luck. There are many instances where bad luck turned into good luck for a lot of people, such as they went through a breakup or divorce, but 6 months later they met an amazing person and now they're happily married. Someone missed his flight by just a few minutes and later the entire plane crashed. When they missed the flight, it looked like bad luck, but after 30 minutes, they were happy and relieved to know that it turned into good luck and they can continue breathing. So, success comes to those who never stop exploring life and what it has to offer to them. Now, concluding this video, we have talked about many things on how to get lucky. But if you really want to be more than what you are now, then it's far better to be great than simply being lucky. The most successful people didn't rely on luck. They relied on hard work and they were ready to sacrifice all the other stuff to get as successful as possible. They always maintained a paradoxical relationship to luck where they credited luck in their success, but they never blamed luck in their failures. They do this because they rely on their efforts and hard work more than on luck, and this might be the best strategy to create your own luck than anything else. So, we hope that this content helped you in some way. If it did, then we wish you all the very best, and now go create your very own luck. Well, that was it for today, CiBillions. Now, if you really liked our content, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's your likes that motivate us to make more content just for you. And do follow us on Instagram because our community of like-minded people is growing bigger day by day. So, thanks for being with us until the end. We'll see you in the next one, and thank you.